Our vision at the House of Science is to build scientific literate children, young people, communities. We are not here just to get kids into career pathways that will result in them being rocket scientists or brain surgeons, but it's more broad than that. It's about building that capacity within the community to look at the world through scientific lenses. In 2013, I saw an ERO report where only about 27% of the schools they saw had an effective science program in place. I looked at that and said, this is not good enough. Someone needs to do something. So then and there, halfway through 2013, I chucked in my job as head of science at Tauranga Girls College and set up this charity with a view of empowering primary teachers to deliver science lessons in their primary classrooms. Science is inherently an expensive subject to resource. Setting up a shared library of science resource kits that the whole community can access meant that schools can get access to really good quality resources without having to purchase them themselves. So schools absolutely love what we do. It's making science really easy for them. It's well supported. The students just love science, of course. Primary kids are so curious, enthusiastic, and this is empowering those teachers to deliver those great lessons in their classroom. And we're seeing a shift in teacher confidence, which for me is the bottom line. It's all about building up the teachers and giving them those tools. All our resources now are completely bi-lingual in Te Reo Māori and English. To me, it's a no-brainer. I believe every educational resource needs to be bilingual in our schools. We are a bilingual country and it's not reflected in our classrooms. So we're doing our little bit to alleviate that in the science context. The fact that this needs to be done by a charity with support from very generous philanthropists and people giving their time voluntarily is a concern, because it's not ultimately sustainable in the long run, and teachers deserve better. They deserve access to these resources. So that's our goal, is to get ongoing sustainable funding and be in every school in the country.